Welcome to my garden. Today I shall be planting onions and garlic.
So in this bed I'm going to plant my onions, the ones that I planted already end of December, and I will plant some new sets as well.
I draw a line in the soil to help me plant in a straight line. I carefully take the onion plants out of the modules. I start with my yellow onions. It has a nice healthy root system.
And there it is, a perfectly healthy onion plant.
Onions like to grow in a warm sunny spot in well-drained soil. Planting is easy. Dig a hole and pop them in at the same depth as it was in the module. I'm planting 2 rows of yellow onions. That should give me a harvest of 12 onions.
This is a red onion called Red Arrow, and the plants look really nice, so just simply pop them in. Dig a hole and pop it in.
Just like the yellow onions, I'm planting 2 rows of red onions. Onions require 90 to 100 days to mature from seed and around 80 days from sets. As soon as the leaves turn yellow, they will be ready to harvest. So I can harvest mine in 2 to 3 months, so probably somewhere in June. Give them a good watering after planting.
Next to my onions I'm going to plant some garlic. Now usually you plant garlic in autumn or in winter because they need a cold period to produce any cloves. But it isn't too late yet. Last night we had -5 degrees of frost, so you can still plant these. I bought this one from the supermarket and it's actually very easy. You just open it up. And then you get all these lovely cloves. And you just plant them with the pointy top up. Push them as deeply into the ground as you can.
Just like onions, they like a sunny spot in well-drained soil. Unlike onions, garlic cloves need to be buried under the soil. There are, however, also garlic varieties that you can plant in spring that don't require a cold period. As mine came from the supermarket, I have no idea which variety it is, so fingers crossed that I will get a good harvest from them. Give the onions and the garlic a good watering after planting.